Hi there, friend. Today we have two sets and we need to write them in tabular form. That just means we list out all the members one by one inside curly brackets. Set builder form gives us a rule like a clue. It says what kind of numbers belong. Tabular form means we write out every single member separated by commas inside curly brackets. Let's look at part 5. This set is called E. Let's read the rule inside carefully to understand what numbers belong to this set. The first part says X belongs to Z. The letter Z stands for integers. Integers are all the whole numbers like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. No fractions, no decimals. The second part says X is bigger than or equal to -9 and smaller than or equal to 12. So we need every integer from -9 all the way up to 12. Both ends are included. Let's start listing. We begin at -9 and count up one by one. -9, -8, -7, -6, all the way to -1. That's all the negative integers in our set. Now we keep going. After -1 comes 0, then 1, 2, 3 and so on all the way up to 12. We stop at 12 because the rule says X is less than or equal to 12. Here is our full answer for part 5. Set E has 22 members in total. Every integer from -9 to 12 all listed out nicely. Great job. Okay, let's move to part 6. This set is called F. The rule says X belongs to O. Let's figure out what O means. The letter O stands for the set of odd natural numbers. Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be split into two equal parts with nothing left over, like 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Odd numbers start at 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, and they keep going forever. Each time we add 2 to get the next odd number. They never stop, so we use 3 dots at the end. The rule for F just says X must be in O. There is no extra condition. So F is exactly the same as the set of all odd natural numbers. Simple as that. Here is our answer for part 6. Set F is all the odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on forever. The 3 dots tell us the list never ends. You did an awesome job today.